In this video, we'll take a look at how to upload a picture of your work to Google Classroom using a Chromebook. So you're going to start by going to the bottom left corner to your launcher. You're going to go search for your camera app. There it is. And then, how you doing? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to get my work right here in a good spot where you can see it in the camera. Click the camera button. Snap that picture. I can go ahead and close my camera app. I'm going to go to Google Classroom. Go to classwork. I'm going to find the assignment right here, super duper assignment. Open up view assignment. I go to add create. Then I'm going to go to file. I'm going to do select files from your device. And it should be the first thing that shows up here in your list in the downloads folder. And then I'm going to click upload. When it's done uploading, I'm going to click turn in and then confirm it. And when it says unsubmit, that means that you have successfully turned in a picture of your work to Google Classroom.